On behalf of BIHER, I, Mrs. Anita Sampathkumar, Assistant Professor of Department of EEE, extend a gracious and warm welcome to all the dignitaries and participants from various states for this FDP. It is a holy tradition to worship our goddess Saraswati before any event. I request everyone to join for the prayer. Now I request Dr. Jayalakshmi, ma'am, Professor of EEE Department, to deliver the welcome address.
Good evening to everyone. I am Dr. V. Jayalakshmi, Professor, Department of EEE, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. As a coordinator of this ATAL-sponsored FDP, I am so grateful to welcome you all to this inaugural session of this ATAL-sponsored 6 days online FDP on recent trends and advancement in integrated power systems. First and foremost, I would like to thank our God who has provided opportunities to organize this FDP. Next, I would like to thank ATAL Academy officials who have approved our applications and provided financial support. Now, I would like to thank our management faculties, Honorable Chairman Dr. S. Jagat Rakshagan, Honorable President Dr. J. Sandeep Anand Sir, the Honorable Pro Chancellor Professor Dr. K. Vijay Bhaskar Sir, then Vice Chancellor Sir Professor Dr. M. Sundarajan Sir, then most respected Register Dr. S. Bhuminathan Sir, most respected Additional Register Dr. R. Hari Prakash Sir, then Honorable Pro Chancellor Controller of Examination Dr. R. M. Suresh Sir, Pro Chancellor International Relationship Dr. R. Venkatesh Babu Sir, Dean Academics Dr. M. Sundarajan Sir, then Dean R&D or Dr. P. Naveen Chandran Sir, for providing us this opportunity to organize the delighted FDP. Now, I would like to welcome our today's chief guest, Dr. Malati Patmale ma'am, INTA International University, Malaysia, whose insight and experience will undoubtedly enrich our gathering and inspire our future. I welcome you, ma'am. Next, support is the silent force that propels us forward. Behind every successful event is a guiding hand. With that note, now I would like to welcome our Dr. M.K. Ilampurnan Sir, Professor, Department of EEE and Dean IKC, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. Now I would like to welcome Dr. S. Prakash Sir, Professor, Dean School of Electrical Engineering, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, whose unwavering support has been the cornerstone of this event. Now I would like to welcome Dr. S. Lakshmi, Professor and HOD EEE Department, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, whose vision and dedication guide us towards success. Now, as a token of our appreciation and heartfelt gratitude, we would like to give a virtual bouquet to all our esteemed resource persons who have made a significant contribution in the field of electrical engineering. Engineer Ganapati said, Director Global Logic, Hitachi Digital Engineering Division, Japan, and Dr. Bishwathi Rai, Associate Professor, Electrical and Computer Engineering, Coraldo State University, United States. Dr. S. Santosh Annathuri, sir, Head Research and Development Department, GE Grid Solution, Conjipuram. Engineer Annamalai Ramanathan, Director, Crons Imaging India Private Limited, Hyderabad. Mr. Gopinath, sir, Director, R&D, Philips Health and Care, Bangalore. Dr. Jaybalan Velandi, Unit R&D Head, GE Industrial India Private Limited, Hosur. Mr. Abhijit Patel, Software Architect at Philips, Pune, Maharashtra. Dr. M.K. Ilampurnan, Professor, Dean and IKC, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. Dr. M. Chakrabani, sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Assam Energy Institute, Assam. Dr. Asha Rani, ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Silchar. Dr. B. Rajanarayana Burshti, Professor and Dean, Galgotias University, Uttar Pradesh. Dr. Lakshman S.A. Head Research, Amirta School of Engineering, Amirta Vishwavidyapeetham, Chennai. Dr. Ajit Bardhan Roy, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Kottankulathur. And now I welcome all our participants all over India. So totally we have received more than 200 participants. We have shortlisted 185 from that. The primary objective of this FDP is to equip participants with in-depth knowledge of the recent trends, emerging technologies and advancement in integrated power systems. So this FDP is not just a platform for learning, it's a journey towards excellence, innovation and collaboration. Throughout the program, participants will have the opportunity to engage the renowned experts, exchange ideas, and gain invaluable insights into the latest trends and best practice in engineering. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dr. S. Lakshmi, ma'am, HOD of EEE, to deliver the inaugural address.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening to all the participants. I'm very much honored to welcome you all to our 6 days online faculty development program on recent trends and advancements in integrated power systems. It is now my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Priya Battumalai from INTI University, Malaysia, for the inaugural ceremony. She is a renowned expert in her field, and we are very much honored to have her join us today. And we look forward to our insightful address, madam. Your participation in this program is going to be a valuable addition, and we appreciate the time you have taken for us. I would like to express my gratitude to our esteemed guests, speakers, and participants for joining us today. Your presence is a testament to the importance of staying updated on the latest trends and advancements in our field. So this program is designed to provide a platform for the faculty members, researchers, industry experts to share their knowledge, experiences, and best practices in integrated power systems. So over the next 6 days, we will have the privilege of listening to renowned experts from both academics as well as from industry, who will share their insights on recent trends and challenges and opportunities in this field. So this program is not about just knowledge sharing. It is also about networking, collaboration, and building relationships. So we encourage you all to participate actively, ask questions, and engage in fruitful discussions with our speakers and fellow participants. I would like to extend my special appreciation to Dr. V. Jayalakshmi ma'am, our program coordinator, who has really worked tirelessly to organize this event. So her efforts in securing funding from the ATAL have been instrumental in making this program a reality. So I'd like to thank our co-coordinators, Mrs. Anita Sampath, Ms. Divya, and Ms. Sangeeta for their support and contribution to this program. So let's embark on this journey of learning, sharing, and growing together. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dr. S. Prakasha, Dean of School of Electrical Sciences, to deliver the keynote address.
Very good evening to all of you. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay, on behalf of Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, and Bharat Institute of Science and Technology, and their School of Electrical Engineering, then Department of Electrical Electronics Engineering, I welcome all the participants as well as an important person, our chief guest, Malati Madam. We are very much grateful to welcome you for this AICTE ATAL online FDP program, madam. I want to say this, in the last minute, I urged you to come and grace the function, and please give your words. You also accepted all the things, even though I want to share this. It's late, almost 9 o'clock now in Malaysia. Ma'am has accepted our invitation in a very short duration, and she is present here on behalf of Bharat as well as from the Department of EEE. I welcome you once again, madam, for this AICTE ATAL FTP program. So here, this AICTE ATAL FTP program, AICTE itself has given a way that we have to enrich our knowledge through the various connecting various resource persons by conducting an faculty development program like this. And especially here, they have given specifically the timings. It's about 6 to 8 p.m. in India. So we are following that, and the persons, resource persons, whatever we have selected, it is all our idea of the Dean IQAC, who is the backbone behind this faculty development program, as well as the entire selection of the resource persons. So we are always following him, and we always follow sir words. And welcome to our program, sir, Dr. M.K. Ilampurnan, sir. Then HOD and the entire team, Jalakshmi madam and the team, I welcome you all for this FTP. And it's all your hard work that you have plenty of participants and a very good resource persons are connected here. So if the participants are actively participating in this, I assure you, you all get a good insight about the title, this latest improvements and the technical areas, wherever we have the glitches, and all those things can be verified with this resource persons, right? So once again, I thank the entire team as well as the resource persons and the participants for actively, they all should actively participate in this FTP. That is most important. Then only we can find the fruitful results here. Uh, Many thanks to Malati madam for coming and making the program success. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, entire team.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Mrs. Divya, Assistant Professor of EEE Department, to introduce the guest of honor.
Ma'am, may I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma, you are audible. You can proceed.
Good evening, everyone. It's my great pleasure to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Professor Dr. Malati Patmalai ma'am, INTA International University, Malaysia, who has made a significant contribution in the field of photonics engineering. She earned her master's degree in engineering from the University of Malaya, Malaysia, and subsequently pursued her PhD in photonics engineering at the same institution. Her research focuses on lasers, fiber optics, and fiber sensors. Ma'am is having more than 20 years of experience in teaching and research. Ma'am has published more than 70 papers in various national and international journals. Under her expert guidance, one scholar has completed their PhD and 4 more are currently pursuing their doctoral research. She has also successfully supervised and guided 7 master scholars. Ma'am invented fiber optics into sensor capable of detecting changes in relative humidity and chemical solution. Ma'am collaborates with both local and international researchers to deliver deep into the behavior and characteristic of fiber optic sensors and plasmonic sensor, resulting in numerous high quality publication in relevant journals. Ma'am has given invited talks on fiber optic sensors at IET, IEM, and many more. Ma'am is also Chief Auditor for Malaysia Research Assessment, INTA International University. Apart from that, Ma'am is the Director of the Center for Data Science and Sustainable Technologies. Ma'am is also Senate Board and member of INTA International University and Deputy Chair for the University Research Committee. And ma'am won Best Presenter Award. Ma'am won various gold and bronze medals in national and international levels for the various projects. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us today. Once again, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. I request Dr. Malati ma'am to address the gathering. Ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
So, ma'am, okay. I hope you can hear me clearly. Good evening, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A warm welcome to everyone assembled here for the session of ATAL sponsored 6 days online faculty development program on recent trends and advancement in integrated power system. I'm Malati Batumalai from INTI International University, Malaysia. I'm honored to be given the opportunity to meet every one of you on this platform. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the advisory committee, chief patrons, conveners, coordinators, and co-coordinators for successfully organizing this training for the development of the faculty members. These 6 days of ATAL FDP training session will bring resource person, industry expert, and academic experts to share their knowledge and experience on recent advancement in innovation and technology. I'm confident that this training session will greatly benefit all the participants and you will be able to enhance your skill and knowledge in your respective fields. I believe that this session will be engaging if you are having a 2 ways of communication, all right, and you will actually obtain insightful discussion and learning from the expertise of your distinguished speakers. The insightful speaker's vision will definitely inspire you because it is through the visionary thinking that innovation and technologies occur today. The ATAL FDP training session will also provide a platform for networking and collaboration among participants, and it will actually lead to fostering a community of learning and growth. By engaging with the speaker's visionary ideas, you will be equipped to drive the innovation in your respective fields and contribute for the need of technological advancement. So it is very important for you to take note that our role now is to take these ideas forward and contribute for the requirement of industry. Let's get the knowledge shared during the training session to propel our field forward and make a meaningful impact on the future of technology, so that together we can turn these visionary ideas into a tangible solution that address to the need of our society today. That is the main goal of the Sustainable Development Goal. Once again, I wish all of you best of luck in implementing these innovative ideas and making a positive impact in our field. Let's continue to collaborate and inspire each other to push the boundaries of what is possible. Once again, thank you to Bharat International University of Higher Education and Research and also the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering for their innovative sharing here. Let's work together to create a brighter future for the generation to come. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to stand on this platform and sharing my thoughts for today. Thank you again. Back to you, MC.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.